4 tips for improving a vehicle's sustainability. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. The automotive industry, known for its significant environmental impact, is making strides toward a greener future. Here are 4 practical tips for improving a vehicle's sustainability and positively impacting the environment. Practice eco-driving techniques. Adopting eco-driving techniques is one of the simplest ways to reduce your vehicle's carbon footprint. Start by accelerating smoothly and maintaining a steady speed. Rapid acceleration and braking consume more fuel, so aim for gradual stops and starts whenever possible. Additionally, keep an eye on your vehicle's speed. Driving at moderate speeds, especially on highways, can significantly enhance fuel efficiency. Lastly, avoid unnecessary idling. Turn off the engine to conserve fuel and reduce emission if you need to stay in park for a minute or two before driving. Perform regular maintenance. Regular car maintenance ensures your car runs efficiently, producing fewer emissions. Schedule routine checkups for your engine, transmission, and exhaust system. A well-maintained engine operates more efficiently, burning less fuel and emitting fewer pollutants. Ensure you properly inflate your tires, as underinflated tires increase fuel consumption. Regularly replace air filters and use the recommended motor oil to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Consider alternative fuels and electric vehicles. Exploring alternative fuels and electric vehicles can significantly impact your vehicle's sustainability. Electric vehicles produce zero emissions and are becoming more accessible with advancements in battery technology. Consider hybrid models if an EV isn't feasible. Hybrids combine traditional fuel engines with electric power for improved fuel efficiency. Additionally, biofuels and other renewable energy sources can be excellent alternatives to conventional gasoline. Transitioning to these options will reduce carbon footprint and supports the broader shift towards sustainable transportation. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Adopting the principles of reduce, reuse, and recycle can significantly impact your vehicle's sustainability. Start by reducing unnecessary journeys to minimize fuel consumption and wear and tear on your vehicle. Carpooling and using public transportation when possible are excellent ways to cut down on driving. Consider reusing and refurbishing components instead of buying new ones when it comes to vehicle parts. You can recondition many parts, such as tires, batteries, and even certain engine components, saving resources and reducing waste. Improving your vehicle's sustainability doesn't require drastic changes or a complete overhaul of your driving habits. By incorporating these simple yet effective tips for improving a vehicle's sustainability, you can make a significant impact on the environment and contribute to a healthier planet.